Hey, I'm Sebastian with Contemporary Automotive in Milford, and today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to put the seats down in your Wagoneer. Now in the Wagoneer, you have a three-way split in the seats. They all fold down individually, which means that you can fold one or two of them down depending on how much room you use. If you're in the Grand Wagoneer, you might have the console and the two captain's chairs on the sides, but they still will fold down in a similar way. First seat down, second seat handle is right in the middle, goes right down flat. And finally, the third seat on the outside handle. Creates plenty of space in the back over here and easy access into that third row. Back, there's already plenty of space, and on both sides, this small handle. Your headrests fold down automatically once the seat gets to a certain position. And there it is, fully flat, plenty of space over here. Now putting them up is still fairly easy. Keep in mind I'm doing this one-handed. And we still do have plenty of space in the third row, with the third row down. Hope this was helpful. It's nothing too difficult, but it's always nice to see it be done. Thank you very much. I'm Sebastian with Contemporary Automotive.